What does a sign with a brown background show? 1. Tourist directions. 2. Primary roads. 3. Motorway routes. 4. Minor roads. The answer is 1. Tourist directions. Which is the most vulnerable road user? Select 1. Answer 1. Car driver. 2. Tractor driver. 3. Lorry driver. 4. Motorcyclist. The answer is 4. Motorcyclist. When could the cost of your insurance be reduced? 1. When you're under 25 years old. 2. When you don't wear glasses. 3. When you pass the driving test first time. 4. When you complete the Pass Plus scheme. The answer is 4. When you complete the Pass Plus scheme. What does this sign mean? 1. End of dual carriageway. 2. Tall bridge. 3. Road narrows. 4. End of narrow bridge. The answer is 1. End of dual carriageway. Where should you stop to rest if you feel tired while you're traveling along a motorway? 1. On the hard shoulder. 2. At the nearest service area. 3. On a slip road. 4. On the central reservation. The answer is 2. At the nearest service area. At traffic lights, what does it mean when the amber light shows on its own? 1. Prepare to go. 2. Go if the way is clear. 3. Go if no pedestrians are crossing. 4. Stop at the stop line. The answer is 4. Stop at the stop line. What does this sign mean? 1. No overtaking. 2. No motor vehicles. 3. Clear way, no stopping. 4. Cars and motorcycles only. The answer is 2. No motor vehicles. You're driving in busy traffic. You want to pull up just after a junction on the left. When should you signal? 1. As you're passing or just after the junction. 2. Just before you reach the junction. 3. Well before you reach the junction. 4. It would be better not to signal at all. The answer is 1. As you're passing or just after the junction. You're leaving your vehicle parked on a road and unattended. When may you leave the engine running? 1. If you'll be parking for less than 5 minutes. 2. If the battery keeps going flat. 3. When parked in a 20 miles per hour zone. 4. Never if you're away from the vehicle. The answer is 4. Never if you're away from the vehicle. Traffic officers operate on motorways and some primary routes in England and Wales. What are they authorized to do? 1. Stop and arrest drivers who break the law. 2. Repair broken down vehicles on the motorway. 3. Issue fixed penalty notices. 4. Stop and direct anyone on a motorway. The answer is 4. Stop and direct anyone on a motorway. You're in a one-way street and want to turn right. Where should you position your vehicle when there are 2 lanes? 1. In the right-hand lane. 2. In the left-hand lane. 3. In either lane, depending on the traffic. 4. Just left of the center line. The answer is 1. In the right-hand lane. What does this sign mean? 1. Turn left ahead. 2. T-junction. 3. No through road. 4. Give way. The answer is 2. T-junction. You're waiting to turn right at the end of a road. What should you do if your view is obstructed by parked vehicles? 1. Stop and then move forward slowly and carefully for a clear view. 2. Move quickly to where you can see so you only block traffic from one direction. 3. Wait for a pedestrian to let you know when it's safe for you to emerge. 4. Turn your vehicle around immediately and find another junction to use. The answer is 1. Stop and then move forward slowly and carefully for a clear view. You're waiting at a T-junction. What should you do if a vehicle is coming from the right, with its left indicator flashing? 1. Move out and accelerate hard. 2. Wait until the vehicle starts to turn in. 3. Pull out before the vehicle reaches the junction. 4. Sound the horn. The answer is 2. Wait until the vehicle starts to turn in. What should you be aware of if you've just passed this sign? 1. This is a single-track road. 2. You can't stop on this road. 3. Only one lane is in use. 4. All traffic is going one way. The answer is 4. All traffic is going one way. How does drinking alcohol affect your driving behavior? 1. It improves judgment skills. 2. It increases confidence. 3. It leads to faster reactions. 4. It increases concentration. The answer is 2. It increases confidence. What does this sign mean? 1. T-junction. 2. No through road. 3. Telephone box ahead. 4. Toilet ahead. The answer is 2. No through road. What restrictions apply to people who have a provisional driving license? 1. They can't drive over 30 miles per hour. 2. They can't drive at night. 3. They can't drive unaccompanied. 4. They can't drive with more than one passenger. The answer is 3. They can't drive unaccompanied. Why should you make allowances for older drivers? 1. Older drivers are exempt from wearing seatbelts. 2. Older drivers can only drive cars that have automatic gearboxes. 3. Older drivers' reactions may be slower than other drivers. 4. Older drivers take more risks than other drivers. The answer is 3. Older drivers' reactions may be slower than other drivers. Which vehicle will use a blue flashing beacon? 1. Motorway maintenance. 2. Bomb disposal. 3. Snowplow. 4. Breakdown recovery. The answer is 2. Bomb disposal. What does this sign indicate? 1. A diversion route. 2. A picnic area. 3. A pedestrian zone. 4. A cycle route. The answer is 1. A diversion route. What safety device must be fitted to a trailer braking system? 1. Stabilizer. 2. Jockey wheel. 3. Corner steadies. 4. Breakaway cable. The answer is 4. Breakaway cable. How should you drive when you're driving along a road that has road humps? 1. Maintain a reduced speed throughout. 2. Accelerate quickly between the humps. 3. Always keep to the maximum legal speed. 4. Ignore the road humps. The answer is 1. Maintain a reduced speed throughout. What should you do when you're overtaking at night? 1. Wait until a bend so that you can see oncoming headlights. 2. Sound your horn twice before moving out. 3. Go past slowly so that you can react to unseen hazards. 4. Beware of bends in the road ahead. The answer is 4. Beware of bends in the road ahead. How can you use your vehicle's engine to control your speed? 1. By changing to a lower gear. 2. By selecting reverse gear. 3. By changing to a higher gear. 4. By selecting neutral. The answer is 1. By changing to a lower gear. What does this sign mean? 1. National speed limit applies. 2. Waiting restrictions apply. 3. No stopping. 4. No entry. The answer is 3. No stopping. What makes the vehicle in the picture environmentally friendly? 1. It's powered by gravity. 2. It's powered by diesel. 3. It's powered by electricity. 4. It's powered by gas. The answer is 3. It's powered by electricity. A collision has just happened. An injured person is lying in a busy road. What's the first thing you should do? 1. Treat the person for shock. 2. Warn other traffic. 3. Place them in the recovery position. 4. Make sure the injured person is kept warm. The answer is 2. Warn other traffic. What does this sign mean? 1. Quayside or riverbank. 2. Steep hill downwards. 3. Uneven road surface. 4. Road liable to flooding. The answer is 1. Quayside or riverbank. You have to arrive on time for an appointment. How should you plan for the journey? 1. Allow plenty of time for the trip. 2. Plan to travel at busy times. 3. Avoid roads with the national speed limit. 4. Prevent other drivers from overtaking. The answer is 1. Allow plenty of time for the trip. When should you flash your headlights at other road users? 1. When showing that you're giving way. 2. When showing that you're about to turn. 3. When telling them that you have right of way. 4. When letting them know that you're there. The answer is 4. When letting them know that you're there. You're approaching a roundabout. What should you do if a cyclist ahead is signaling to turn right? 1. Overtake on the right. 2. Give a warning with your horn. 3. Signal the cyclist to move across. 4. Give the cyclist plenty of room. The answer is 4. Give the cyclist plenty of room. What does this road marking mean? 1. Don't cross the line. 2. No stopping allowed. 3. You're approaching a hazard. 4. No overtaking allowed. The answer is 3. You're approaching a hazard. You're driving on a motorway at night. Which lights should you have on if there are other vehicles just ahead of you? 1. Front fog lights. 2. Main beam headlights. 3. Side lights only. 4. Dipped headlights. The answer is 4. Dipped headlights. What should you do when you're passing loose sheep on the road? 1. Briefly sound your horn. 2. Go very slowly. 3. Pass quickly but quietly. 4. Herd them to side of the road. The answer is 2. Go very slowly. What's the national speed limit on a single carriageway road? 1. 50 miles per hour. 2. 60 miles per hour. 3. 40 miles per hour. 4. 70 miles per hour. The answer is 2. 60 miles per hour. What's the main hazard the driver of the red car, arrowed, should be aware of? 1. Glare from the sun may affect the driver's vision. 2. The black car may stop suddenly. 3. The bus may move out into the road. 4. Oncoming vehicles will assume the driver is turning right. The answer is 3. The bus may move out into the road at an incident. It's important to look after any casualties. What should you do with them when the area is safe? 1. Move them away from the vehicles. 2. Ask them how it happened. 3. Give them something to eat. 4. Keep them where they are. The answer is 4. Keep them where they are. You're about to drive home. What should you do if you feel very tired and have a severe headache? 1. Wait until you're fit and well before driving. 2. Drive home, but take a tablet for headaches. 3. Drive home if you can stay awake for the journey. 4. Wait for a short time, then drive home slowly. The answer is 1. Wait until you're fit and well before driving. Where would parking your vehicle cause an obstruction? 1. Alongside a parking meter. 2. In front of a property entrance. 3. On your driveway. 4. In a marked parking space. The answer is 2. In front of a property entrance. How can drivers help the environment? 1. By accelerating harshly. 2. By accelerating gently. 3. By using leaded fuel. 4. By driving faster. The answer is 2. By accelerating gently. What's most likely to increase fuel consumption? 1. Poor steering control. 2. Accelerating around bends. 3. Staying in high gears. 4. Harsh braking and accelerating. The answer is 4. Harsh braking and accelerating. A police officer asks to see your documents. You don't have them with you. How many days do you have to produce them at a police station? 1. 5 days. 2. 7 days. 3. 14 days. 4. 21 days. The answer is 2. 7 days. You're waiting at a level crossing. What must you do if a train passes but the lights keep flashing? 1. Carry on waiting. 2. Phone the signal operator. 3. Edge over the stop line and look for trains. 4. Park and investigate. The answer is 1. Carry on waiting. What does this sign mean? 1. Change to the left-hand lane. 2. Leave at the next exit. 3. Contraflow system. 4. One-way street. The answer is 3. Contraflow system. You're driving on an open road in dry weather. What distance should you keep from the vehicle in front? 1. A 2-second time gap. 2. 1 car length. 3. 2 meters, 6 feet 6 inches. 4. 2 car lengths. The answer is 1. A 2-second time gap. How should you position yourself when you use the emergency telephone on a motorway? 1. Stay close to the carriageway. 2. Face the oncoming traffic. 3. Keep your back to the traffic. 4. Stand on the hard shoulder. The answer is 2. Face the oncoming traffic. What restrictions apply if you're towing a trailer on a 3-lane motorway? 1. You must not exceed 50 miles per hour. 2. You must not overtake. 3. You must have a stabilizer fitted. 4. You must not use the right-hand lane. The answer is 4. You must not use the right-hand lane. What should you do as you approach this lorry? 1. Slow down and be prepared to wait. 2. Make the lorry wait for you. 3. Flash your lights at the lorry. 4. Move to the right-hand side of the road. The answer is 1. Slow down and be prepared to wait. What does it mean if your trailer has a maximum authorized mass, ma'am, of 3,500 kilograms? 1. Your trailer can carry a load of 3,500 kilograms. 2. Your empty trailer weighs 3,500 kilograms. 3. Your trailer and towing vehicle combined cannot weigh more than 3,500 kilograms. 4. Your trailer and load combined cannot weigh more than 3,500 kilograms. The answer is 4. Your trailer and load combined cannot weigh more than 3,500 kilograms.